Most people see the machine. Few understand dirty and what it takes to make it work. The numbers are impressive. The reality is even bigger. Before the machine starts moving, people make it possible. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the industry's most demanding operations. We'll start where the work begins and follow it all the way through. Perched on the edge of a massive excavation site, the Shantui SD60-C5 bulldozer demonstrates the raw force required to reshape entire landscapes. With its enormous blade cutting into dense earth and rock, the machine relentlessly pushes thousands of tons of material toward the cliff's edge, carving new pathways through terrain that would overwhelm ordinary equipment. Every pass reveals the immense power hidden beneath its steel frame, transforming rugged ground into a carefully engineered mining environment. Developed to solve the challenge of clearing unforgiving access routes, it relies on a massive heavy-duty diesel engine producing over 600 horsepower. This mechanical titan handles extreme loads effortlessly, moving mountains one blade at a time. Towering over the edge like an industrial giant, it creates a presence that is impossible to ignore, easily dwarfing nearby support vehicles. Machines like this remain essential for modern mining operations, pushing the boundaries of what earth-moving equipment can do. But here is a question for the heavy machinery experts watching. Seeing its raw power in action, do you think this Chinese titan can truly rival the legendary Japanese Komatsu D375A-8, or is it simply a massive copy? Let us know your thoughts below. When operations demand relentless digging into steep benches, conventional excavators aren't always enough. Engineers developed the Caterpillar 5090B front shovel. Designed to penetrate deeply into blasted rock, it provides remarkable control from its position below the cliff face. Driven by a colossal engine, it boasts an operating weight of nearly 100 tons, providing the raw force needed for continuous extraction. It gathers a full bucket load before lifting and swinging, carefully filling one hauler before moving to the next in a perfectly synchronized sequence. Every swing of the boom is accompanied by the deep sound of steel in motion, highlighting the human effort behind massive production. Towering on the elevated mining bench, it dictates the rhythm for the heavy Caterpillar 777C and 775D haul trucks, dropping tons of fragmented rock precisely into their deep, cavernous dump bodies with every calculated pass. This front shovel showcases what human creativity can achieve, maintaining a seamless production system in harsh environments. But even this giant isn't the largest machine operating in today's mines. To achieve higher production targets, mines require equipment that cycles faster and moves more earth. To meet that challenge, engineers developed the Caterpillar 6015 hydraulic mining excavator. Operating with over 800 horsepower and an immense 14.5 cubic yard bucket, this iron giant transfers enormous volumes of dry earth, loading Cat 777 haul trucks in just a few precise passes. Supported by powerful D10 bulldozers that continuously push fresh material toward the digging face, the 6015 operates as part of a highly coordinated mining system where every second counts. Watching it tear into the soil feels like witnessing an unstoppable force of nature, driven by the skilled workers behind the controls. This industrial powerhouse remains essential for modern surface mining, keeping valuable material moving around the clock. Our journey now takes us to another corner of the mining world, where we see exactly where all this material goes. At the dumping area of a busy mining operation, Caterpillar 777 and Komatsu HD60-C5 haul trucks carry out one of the most critical stages of the production cycle, delivering and unloading massive quantities of rock and overburden. After hauling their payloads across steep haul roads and vast excavation zones, these heavy-duty trucks position themselves with remarkable precision before raising their enormous dump bodies and releasing tons of material in a matter of seconds. What appears to be a simple unloading process is actually the culmination of a carefully coordinated system involving excavation, hauling, and material management, where every cycle contributes directly to the mine's overall productivity. If giant machines and real-world engineering fascinate you, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next adventure. Yet some mining environments demand even more specialized equipment to fill these rolling fortresses. Deep within a vast open-pit iron ore mine, the Liebherr R9350 demonstrates the extraordinary capabilities of modern mining equipment as it continuously loads giant BELAZ haul trucks with remarkable speed and precision. Positioned at the mining face, the excavator tears into blasted ore and waste rock, filling its massive bucket with every pass before efficiently transferring the material into trucks capable of carrying well over 100 tons per load. The operation is a carefully synchronized display of engineering and productivity, where every loading cycle keeps valuable material flowing from the pit toward processing facilities without interruption. Every bucketful represents the combined power of advanced hydraulics, structural engineering, and operator expertise. It is a striking example of how the world's largest mining machines are capable of moving millions of tons of material each year, turning seemingly endless rock formations into resources that drive modern industry and infrastructure across the globe. Long before valuable minerals can be processed, an initial brutal phase of earth moving must take place across sprawling mining complexes. The Terex RH340B operates as a pure titan of endurance, engineered specifically to strip away millions of tons of stubborn overburden that bury mineral riches deep underground. Weighing over 600 tons, this machine functions less like a simple excavator and more like a permanent piece of heavy infrastructure designed to run for decades. Every time its massive hydraulic arm stretches outward, it carves through geological history, pulling solid rock and compacted earth into its maw with surgical precision. The crews working in these extreme conditions rely on its relentless productivity to reshape entire landscapes, turning imposing horizons into vast, terraced pits. Towering above the mine floor, it commands the entire excavation face, like a steel monument to human ingenuity. The RH340B proves that true efficiency isn't just about moving material today. It's about holding the line and conquering impossible workloads for generations to come. In the heart of a vast copper mine, the Komatsu PC7000 hydraulic excavator and the Komatsu 930E haul truck form one of the most powerful mining partnerships on Earth. Weighing nearly 750 tons and wielding a massive 47 cubic yard bucket, this machine possesses earth-shattering power. With relentless efficiency, it loads the 320-ton capacity 930E, filling one massive truck completely before targeting the next in a perfectly orchestrated rhythm. Together, these machines operate with relentless efficiency, turning solid rock into a continuous flow of valuable resources that fuel modern industry. Yet this is only a glimpse into the scale of modern mining. Across the world's largest open-pit operations, colossal machines are designed to tackle workloads that once seemed impossible. They move mountains of earth, extract millions of tons of material, and keep production running around the clock in some of the harshest environments on the planet. Built with extraordinary power, advanced engineering, and unmatched durability, these mining giants represent humanity's ability to overcome immense geological challenges and transform vast mineral deposits into the raw materials that support global infrastructure, technology, and economic growth. We've seen machines built around standard power and scale, but the final machine takes a completely different approach. The machines before focused on typical extraction cycles. This one transforms the entire process. Instead of relying on electrical grids like some modern variants, this specific beast was engineered for absolute, untethered dominance. Some operations require completely independent, raw mechanical force in dry, harsh terrains. Engineers developed the heavy diesel-powered Liebherr R996, designed to solve the challenge of delivering colossal breakout force without the constraints of power cables. It stands as the ultimate autonomous earth mover. Powered by two colossal V16 diesel engines producing an earth-shaking 3,000 horsepower, this machine was built to roar. It rips through the mix of dry soil and rock debris, moving millions of tons of earth with absolute dominance, filling haulers sequentially with terrifying speed. Watching it in action feels unlike anything else on a mining site. It weighs as much as a fleet of city buses. It stands as one of the most ambitious industrial machines ever created, proving that raw diesel power and smart engineering still rule the modern mine. Today, we've witnessed the raw power of machines that literally reshape our world. Beyond their massive steel frames, they represent the absolute peak of human engineering. Which of these mechanical titans impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love discovering the world's most powerful heavy machinery, hit that subscribe button so you never miss our next adventure.